Let's take this JavaScript task a little bit further now. One thing I notice is that we have 3 separate files here. We want to bring all of those together into one file, and the plugin to do that is called Gulp concat. npm install save dev gulp concat. Now we can pipe that before we minify it or after. I like doing it before. Plugins.concat, and when you run concat, we can give it a name, all.js. Let's see how that works. Now we have this all file where we have all of our JavaScript, including the jQuery library and our personal JavaScript at the very bottom here. There's our alert, all minified. This way, in our HTML file, we just need to load up that one all.js file and everything is great to go. Next up, let's say I wanted to use a little bit more cutting-edge JavaScript. So I wanted to use ES6. It's the future of JavaScript, so it only makes sense that we jump on board and use a transpiler so that all of our ES6 code just gets brought back down and can be used by all browsers. First, we need to write some ES6 code. And one of the easiest ways to change your code from current to ES6 is just by using arrow functions. This means that this function word is no longer needed, and we can hit an arrow here, and congratulations, we have ES6 code. Now we'll need a transpiler so that this gets brought back down to ES5, so we'll use Babel. npm install save dev Babel, and we also need to tell Babel what kind of presets we want to use. We want to use ES6, so we will do Babel preset ES 2015, and that's just the other name for ES6. Now we can bring that into our application. Under Gulp file, we just need to pipe before all of this happens, pipe plugins.babel, and we'll also pass in a config object to this, where we have to tell Babel that we want presets ES 2015. Now to show this off, I want to see individual files once again. We'll comment out concat for now. And let's comment out uglify as well so we can see it not being minified. Go look into the magic.js file, and now we have our functions back in. So this is readable by all browsers now, since it's back down and not ES6 anymore. But we get to leverage the benefits of ES6 when we write our code normally. And this gets us into a good place because we get to get used to the future of JavaScript and get ready for it. Bring those 2 pipes back, and that is our full JavaScript task.